If you haven't already opened Google Chat, do so now by visiting chat.google.com. Now that you've opened Google Chat on the web, how do you send a message? To send a message directly to a person, click their name in the chat list. If the name isn't already in the chat section, click Start a Chat and enter the name or email address of a colleague. Suggestions might appear as you enter text. If you're using Gmail, click New Chat. You can also click the Find People, Spaces and Messages search bar and type a name or email address. To send a one-on-one message to someone outside of your organization, simply enter their email address. After you click the person who you want to message, type your message and press Enter on your keyboard or click the Send Message icon on your screen. It's that simple. To save you time, Google Chat might suggest possible phrases to respond to a message. You can click a Smart Reply to insert it into your message or create your own reply. But what if you want to send a message to a group? Let's look at that next.